going on, Mopar fans? I hope you guys are having a terrific time out there. So the other day I was driving and I had a great idea pop up in my head. I think it would be awesome to see what some of you guys have going on for builds and rides out there. I think there's some really badass Mopars being built, and I know some of you guys got some. So what I would like you to do is send me some pictures and videos of your ride. Even if it's not done, even if you're in the middle of a build, send me what you got going on, a list of mods going on with it, your plans. Send it to frostbiteram57@gmail.com. That's my email and my Dropbox. You can also find me on Instagram. The links are in my description of this video, and we will try to get your car or your build featured on my channel. I think it would be awesome. I'm really stoked to see what you guys got going on for some builds. As I've said in the past, guys, this channel is for everybody and everything Mopar. So even if you're building a Ram, a Charger, a Challenger, a Jeep, a Durango, whatever it is, if it's Mopar related, that's all that matters. We are going to try to keep this channel definitely Mopar content. So like I said, if you're interested in trying to get your car featured on the channel, send your pictures and your videos to frostbiteram57@gmail.com or my Dropbox, and we will try to get this thing rolling. As most of you guys know, we post videos on Tuesday and Saturdays. If we can get this new thing rolling, we will start posting the builds that you guys are building on Thursdays. I think it would be a great idea. Again, I'm super stoked to see what you guys are building out there, or what you're driving, what's done to your Mopar. I think it's super, like, I can't wait. I'm super excited about this, and I just can't wait. I want to see some of you guys send me some stuff, and let's get it rolling, guys. Other thing I want to mention is the Frostbite Ram store is open. I do have shirts and hoodies ready to be purchased. There's Ram designs, Charger, Challenger stuff, Hellcat, and Demon stuff also. So go give it a check out. Link is in the description. And let's get this new thing rolling. Let's get your builds featured on the channel, guys. So, as always, guys, stay safe out there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap that bell button for the notifications. And we'll see you on the next one.